Hello there, my babies. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking and taking the time to actually watch another Get Ready With Me video, you guys. I hope you guys are actually having a good day. Whatever day, if it's day or night, I hope you guys are having a good time. How about that? So we're just starting off with bleaching this hair. Now, I was sent these bundles from Yiroo hair, and I made my own wig out of it, you guys. They sent me a 20-inch Brazilian frontal with 3 24-inch hair, you guys. Now the wig is super full for me to just have 3 bundles of hair. I love that about this hair, you guys. The hair took bleach really nicely, which that is a plus. The only thing I did not like about the hair after coloring it, it was a little drying, but yeah, that's the thing I don't like about coloring hair. It's kind of tricky, you guys, but I wanted to color this hair because I wanted that summer ombre look because it is summer. But the way I colored this wig, you guys, well, hair wig, whatever you want to call it, I was just going in. Like, I really was just literally just coloring it. Like, I really did not have a direction that I was going with it, so it kind of looks messy. But surprisingly, it turned out pretty decent for it to look, for the way I'm actually bleaching it, for it to turn out the way it actually looks. I actually love it. Now I do like the ombre effect look on me because I usually rock black hair a lot. So then when I want to rock color, I do like rocking that kind of color. I'm thinking of doing other colors. You guys know I'm not no hairstylist, but I like to try new things. Even if I make a mistake while recording, I will share it with you guys. I will not keep it to you guys at all. I don't know, that's just me. Like, but the clip disappeared, you guys. I don't know where the rest of the clip is, so this is the only clip I got. And I also got the clip after I was done. I think actually, yeah, I think my clip disappeared. It is so weird because I was just trying to go through editing this stuff and I could not find the clip of the whole entire thing of me bleaching it. But you guys get the point, you guys. So now we're gonna start doing my makeup, and I'm going in with my first solid, I'm just not gonna even try it, rose gold primer, and we're just using that as moisturizer. And I'm going in now with my Too Faced Hangover primer. You guys know I do like this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Get your hands on this primer if you guys want your makeup to like really be on your skin, like have a matte face. This is a good primer for that. Oh yeah, I had to grab my tea, y'all. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 430. So guess what, you guys? I went in at Sephora and got my hands on the 420. I was gonna use it on this video, but for some reason I got kind of scared. I don't know why, but I probably need to test it out off camera first before I get myself, like, before I try it and it's too light. But I know I'm 420. I just know I am. But it's just safe for me to actually wear it off camera first and see how it's actually gonna look. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro concealer and fun, and I'm going to highlight all the points that I usually highlight. I feel like I haven't used this highlight in a minute. Not highlight, concealer. You guys, I'm sorry. It's like 2:47 in the morning here, and I'm drained. But I told myself I have to do this voiceover before I go to sleep, so then I cannot, like, I can sleep in, okay? But, so I'm going in and I'm just blending this all out. Like I said, I feel like I haven't used this concealer in such a long time, and this is my hands down favorite concealer ever. For it to be affordable, the coverage that you get on it is just out of this world, okay? So now I'm gonna go right ahead and start contouring, and I'm going in with my KK Beauty concealer in the shade 16, you guys. I like this stuff when it comes to contour. I do like her concealer as well. Super bright, but I love bright concealers. So yeah, I love these combinations together, but I do like this to contour. I love the after effect that I get out of it, you guys. So after blending that all into my skin, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set where I concealed. Per usual, you guys know I do this. I did put a lot of, actually I put a lot of concealer this time. I was not planning on going that heavy, but once you go, you just don't know how, you can't go back, okay? You just have to work with what you got. So yeah, so now I'm gonna set my whole entire face, well, where I contoured with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Setting Powder. I love this stuff. This is what makes my makeup literally like look super smooth after putting everything on my face. Like, I know it's like a lot of steps, but hey, that is what I love about makeup. It is a lot of steps, but you are working to get that flawless beat, honey, okay? So now I'm going in with my Set and Wear I contoured actually with my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. That stuff is affordable and good, okay? Like, it's some good stuff. I like that bronze. So now I'm grabbing my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I'm grabbing that Mookie eyeshadow, and I'm working this as a transition shade, pretty much. And I'm working this on my water lash line as well, and I'm just gonna blend it all in. Didn't want to go heavy on my eyes. I kind of did not want to do that at all because I was actually heading out, so I wanted something very bronzy and highlighted and very cute, okay? So now I'm just, oh, excuse me. So I'm just highlighting with my Artist Couture X Jackie Aina La Peach highlight, and this stuff is super beautiful. You guys can see the highlight is amazing. So now I'm just blending everything so then I don't look funky. So yeah, I'm just blending everything with that brush that I contoured with. Oh man, that highlighter is amazing, sis. So now I'm just grabbing that Morphe palette, and I'm grabbing that Hunts and Jack's eyeshadow, and I'm just working those two shadows under my water lash line and on my crease as a transition shade as well. Now off camera I popped my Cocoa lashes in Goddess. Those Goddess lashes are beautiful from Cocoa Lashes, you guys. Do y'all see that? It's so pretty. I feel like they're super flirty, and my eyes are so big, so it's just like amazing, okay? So now I am going in on my lips, and this is Kylie Cosmetics oh my god, Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick and lip liner in Mary Jo K, and it's a pretty red lipstick. It's super red. I like it. I don't love it. I do love the MAC Ruby Woo. I couldn't find that anywhere, so I decided to go in with this. It's a cute red. Not gonna even lie, it's cute, but just not my favorite, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my Pixie setting spray, and I wanted to give myself a little bit of dewy, so I grabbed my Tatcha Dewy Mist, and I just set everything, and I love this look. It is so beautiful. I feel like it's super flirty. It's cute. Didn't work too much with eyeshadow. It's adorable. So you guys, that is it for this makeup look, you guys. Now we're gonna jump back into the hair because I am curling the hair with my curly wand, you guys. I need to get my hands on actually a real curling iron. I used to have one. I bought it from Goodwill a long time ago, and I think I broke it or something. So now I gotta go probably to Walmart or something, grab myself one, or probably at Goodwill and just look. I don't like to spend a lot of money on like curling irons and straighteners. I just feel like it's pretty pointless because I literally just do it on weaves and wigs. I don't do it on my real hair, so yeah, I don't like heat on that stuff. So yeah, you guys, so this is it for this makeup tutorial. Let's get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. I am about to take my little booty to sleep. Okay, like I feel like I'm about to hit rock bottom. Like right now, girl. And between me and you, I just drank a beer and I feel like I'm done. Like I don't drink much, so when I drink, it's over. Like I feel like I am super drunk, okay? But I am going to sleep, you guys. I love you guys so much per usual. Now apena sana, and I will see you guys for sure in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If it's your first time stopping by, you are so welcome to this channel. Do not be a stranger. Comment down below. I am sure to comment back. It will take me a couple days, but honey, I see your comment and I will comment back as soon as I can. I love you guys. I love y'all so much for your support and your kind comments each day. That is all I gotta say. I gotta take my little booty to sleep, honey. I got church in the morning. Okay, bye. Love y'all. Bye. Fill you like a pill to get my fill.